My name is Dr. Heather Flanagan-Steet. I'm a research scientist here at the Genetics Center. Specifically, I'm the Director of Functional Studies, and within this role, I lead a team of research scientists directing their research efforts and managing the day-to-day operations of our laboratory. So I have a BA, or Bachelor's of Arts, in Biology from Carleton College in Minnesota. And after I completed my undergraduate studies, I enrolled in a PhD program. This was in the Department of Molecular, Cellular, and Developmental Biology at the University of Colorado in Boulder. This program was 6 years. And after I obtained my PhD, unlike many positions, I wasn't able yet to get a professional level job. I actually had to do additional training, which in this case is postdoctoral training. And I did mine in the laboratory of Dr. Josh Sains at Washington University in St. Louis. My current job was preceded by 12 years as a faculty member or professor in the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology at the University of Georgia. But both at UGA and at the GGC, my core role is really as a lead investigator of a research laboratory. So within that, I run all aspects of my lab. I mentor the graduate students and postdocs. I guide the research technicians, guiding their research direction, planning and interpreting their experiments. I write the manuscripts. I give presentations on our data, and this is both to the GGC as well as throughout the country and around the world. And I raise grant funds and manage the finances of our laboratory. So my days are very diverse. I do a lot of writing. I write papers and manuscripts to disseminate our work into the research community. I also write grants to fund our research. And I meet with members of my team regularly. Often we're discussing their experiments and their findings or planning their next steps. I create a lot of presentations and give a number of talks as well. And these can be both instructive talks or original research talks. The last part of my job really involves meeting with physicians to discuss patient cases. And often what we're doing is trying to determine whether there are research-based studies that my team could perform to help either provide answers to patients on their genetic conditions or evaluate whether there's the potential for a novel therapy. So I really became interested in a career in science and medicine as early as my science courses in high school. When I started college, I knew I wanted to be a biology major. And so within the first year, I actually sought independent research opportunities to start gauging whether I actually enjoyed bench research. I also became certified as an emergency medical technician and worked in 3 different emergency rooms and also as an athletic trainer to really determine whether medicine was my preferred route. And in the end, I chose to pursue biomedical research because it incorporated all aspects of the science and medicine that I enjoyed. So my job is challenging, but it's incredibly exciting, it's mentally stimulating, and highly rewarding. The work we do adds to the body of scientific knowledge that directly impacts medical decisions and can identify novel therapies for disorders that actually have no available treatments. So it's really profound to give families and patients hope, providing them with answers regarding their genetic conditions, and sometimes even identifying potential solutions or therapies that they really didn't have before we started our research journey.